guys, it's Nikki and welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video all about Tiana's Bayou adventure. Woohoo! We are so excited to be able to finally experience Tiana's Bayou adventure, which is the reimagined Splash Mountain. So this opened in June and we just missed it during our last trip. And so this morning, Jackson, he went ahead and grabbed us a virtual queue. So we are in group 21. It is like 9:02 right now. So they just started calling groups 1 through 17. So we are going to make our way over to the Magic Kingdom. We are going to go ride the ride. We are going to try the Tiana's Beignets, and we're going to check out the gift shop. So make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and let's go to the bayou. So like I said, we were able to grab Tiana's Bayou Adventure virtual queue during the drop at 7 a.m. There are 2 drops throughout the day, 7 a.m. and 1 p.m. For that 1 p.m. drop, you do have to be inside the park, so just keep that in mind. We were currently staying at Copper Creek, so we jumped on the boat and headed over to Magic Kingdom. Alrighty, we are in Magic Kingdom. And look, it is fall. It is Halloweeny. We will actually be here later this evening for the Halloween party. So make sure you subscribe and you catch that video. There it is, Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Has been struggling a little bit with some downtime, but it's running right now, so that's a huge plus. Yeah. Okay, so right now there are 2 ways that you can ride Tiana's Bayou Adventure. You can use the virtual queue, which is what we got this morning. And then you can also get it through multi-pass. It is not a single pass, it is in multi-pass. So right now they're calling groups 1 through 26, and it is about 9:30, 9:40. No, yeah, I know.
Like we're going again.
Once we got over to Tiana's Bayou Adventure, our virtual queue number was already called, so we were able to jump in line right away. Our overall wait was probably about 5 minutes, which honestly I was really disappointed in because I wanted to just walk and explore the queue. Maybe next time it'll be a little longer, or honestly I will just let people cut me in line because there are so many small Easter eggs and details within the queue that we had to miss because we were just like walking right on through. Definitely my favorite part is when you get to this kitchen in the hallway. There are articles and letters all from her dad and just pictures of their family, and then the kitchen with the beignets that you can smell. It is so cool. So then you head down to the salt mine, and this is where it got really familiar. I'm not sure if any of you have ridden Splash Mountain before, but this is what it kind of looked like. It was a lot brighter, and they redid these windows and added a couple of more signs, but this was Splash Mountain's main entrance as well. However, it is completely rethemed and I absolutely loved it. Spoiler alert.
Welcome, y'all. Let's meet up with Louis and find some musicians for our party. Look out, Bayou, here we come.
So like I said, this ride has been rethemed to Tiana's Bayou Adventure. The storyline is that Tiana needs a band to play at her restaurant. And so you're going to go and find all of the animals and the band players for the party. And I really liked how up here they still had it as a garden. They had it as a garden during Splash Mountain as well. So I thought that was just like a nice little nod. But again, the details, they did not skimp out on anything. And Tiana's Bayou Adventure, like I have mentioned at the beginning of this video, does kind of struggle sometimes to get through the day. But that is because there are so many amazing animatronics that they have to keep working. But every moment, every turn, there is a new detail, and I cannot wait to ride it again because I know I'm going to see something different every single time.
Tiana was right. There are musicians out here, and they are cooking.
You said okay.
Once we really got into the ride, that is when you really saw all of the amazing animatronics and all of the details. Every single Tiana animatronic, I was just shocked. I knew they had one, but I didn't know they had so many. And then all of the little guys in the band, everybody has their own backstory and everyone has their own name. I cannot remember any of their names or their backstories, but before the launch of Tiana's Bayou Adventure, Disney Parks posted a big storyline for each of the members, and at the end of the ride you can walk through the gift shop, and of course they got stuffies for every single band member. I'm gonna have to ride it a couple more times until I decide who's my favorite, but I can probably guarantee you that one of those will be coming home with me very soon. So this part of the ride was one part I didn't really understand until after the fact, and I thought about it more. So Mama Odie right here is like mixing up her potions and then they pour over you. I'm not sure technically what this part is supposed to mean, but you are now the size of a frog. So, and maybe it's because like Tiana and the prince like turn into frogs. I don't know. Or Tiana just turns, the prince ends up turning into a frog too, but Tiana turns into a frog. And so maybe that is why, now that I'm thinking more through it. Anyways, I absolutely loved it. Again, Disney kills it with the theming all the time, but just the small details in here are just tremendous. I always loved this section of Splash Mountain, and so I'm really glad that they kept like the same idea down here with the frogs and the jumping waters. Those have always been so much fun. And again, as you can see, Tiana and the crocodile guy, the alligator, I can't remember what his name is, but you can see them like they're really big, and so that's how you know that you are super small. So after this part, then that is when Mama Odie brings you back to full size, and then that's when the big drop comes. Oh, and I love this Firefly video right there. It is adorable.
But invite your little friends to tag along too.
Like we're going to heaven. Oh my gosh, wow. That is so cool.
Remember, this party wouldn't be what it is without you. Bye.
Keep your tail to your seats until you're both out.
I don't know if it technically broke down, it just like was delayed a little bit. So these are all the little guys in the band. And Tiana. This little guy. Oh, that's cute.
It's like a cute little wet bag. So Tiana's is located right there, and then you can get your beignets at the Golden Post Outlook, something like that, which is just right across, closer to Adventureland. All right, we got the 3 beignets and then the Tiana's lavender lemonade. So let's give these a try. Okay, the lemonade. Ooh, make sure you mix it up. Okay. Tiana's Man Kitchen Beignets. Alright you guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I totally forgot to do an outro, but I hope you liked hanging out with me today and seeing Tiana's like ride point of view, and the beignets were so good. We actually got 3 more during the Halloween party because they were delicious. The lemonade was okay, probably wouldn't get that again, but overall we really did love the ride. While Splash will always be a special experience in our lives because like that's the ride I grew up with. Jackson really likes Splash as well, but I am so excited about Tiana's and to ride it again. The amount of detail put into this ride was so crazy, which is probably why it breaks down a lot, but I'm excited to be able to ride it in Disneyland in January as well. But thank you again for watching today's video. Let me know in the comments down below if you've been able to ride Tiana's yet. Do you love it? Are you a Tiana's or a Splash fan? The ride's the same, it's just a different re-theme, which it needed a little refresh, so I'm all here for it. But again, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you guys have a magical rest of your day, and I will see you real soon. Bye! Subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, don't forget. Okay, bye.